India Today TV, along with 70 other news channels, is a proud member of the News Broadcasters Association since 2007. We strictly follow the code of ethics and guidelines issued by NBSA. Beware of unregulated channels.
Going to quickly take you through the latest news break that we are getting in. The talent manager of Deepika Padukone has been called in tomorrow for questioning. Karishma will come in for the second day of questioning. What we also are getting to know is that at first, Deepika Padukone would be questioned alone, and then she would be questioned alongside with Karishma to corroborate what each of them is saying. That's the latest that we're getting in right now. Deepika is to be questioned tomorrow, and Deepika, after being questioned alone, then will be faced off with Karishma, her manager, to which she's apparently, allegedly had the chat where she asked for mal or hashish. I want to connect right now to my colleague Devesh. Devesh, what more can you add to this breaking?
Preeti, Karishma Prakash, who's the talent manager working with Quant Talent Management, there's a 2017 chat between Deepika Padukone and Karishma, where Deepika is allegedly asking for drugs, asking for hashish. That is what has been seen in this WhatsApp chat, which is in possession of India Today as well. So this was the chat that is the primary evidence on basis of which the Narcotics Control Bureau summoned Deepika Padukone and also Karishma Anand. Karishma Anand appeared in front of NCB officials. She was grilled for over 3 hours. She was questioned regarding this particular drug chat, though we do not know about what she's revealed to NCB sources as of now. But she was questioned regarding this drug chat. She was also questioned regarding her source for drugs, for procuring hashish that is being talked about. Remember, there was a party the same evening when this chat happened at a nightclub in Mumbai, where Deepika Padukone along with several other film stars were present. So it is also suspected that this particular party was indeed a drug party, which was allegedly hosted by Deepika, and that is why these drugs were being procured. That is being talked about in the WhatsApp chat, and Karishma was questioned regarding the same. On basis of this, now Deepika is to be questioned tomorrow by NCB officials right here at the NCB's makeshift office, the Mumbai Port Trust Guest House, Evelyn House, near the Gateway of India in Mumbai. Tomorrow, 11 a.m., she has been asked to appear, asked to join investigation. Also, Karishma has also been asked to join investigation for the second round of questioning tomorrow. There are chances that both Deepika and Karishma could be confronted, and the answers given by Karishma and Deepika could be corroborated by Narcotics Control Bureau officials.
All right,
Both
appreciate
will be
you joining
about
us.
Consumption,
Right.
about procurement.
All right, appreciate you joining us. Devesh, we're going to...
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.